from all the wrongs you keep on. I did all this because of your promises. You promised me that you will die where I die. You promised that when trouble comes my way, you're gonna be there. You ain't not there to be found. When the trouble comes and goes and get my door, you ain't not there to be found. The world is turning around. Yesterday becomes tomorrow. When lies become the truth, and truth said to be lies. Like a preacher man in church, yeah. He preaches until tears run down his face. But when the sun goes down, he is a hooligan. When the sun goes down, he's a rich. And he's doing all this in that Creator's name. Do you think this is the way God wants it to be? The world is turning around. Yesterday becomes tomorrow. When lies becomes the truth, the future becomes the past. There is no truth in the way. No truth in the way. When you man up on a church, something to the last. And when I am on a church, something to the last. There is no truth in the way. The poor man feels the pain. The poor man feels the pain every time. I say, every time I say, the poor man, I feel like the Rasta man. Every time I see if you love reggae music, let's hear you say yeah. You love your Latin, let me hear you say yeah. You love your reggae music, let's hear you say yeah. You love love it like you do, but let me hear you say yeah. You love it reggae music, let me hear you say yeah. You love it like you do, but let me hear you say yeah. You love it reggae music, let me hear you say yeah. You love it like you do, but let me hear you say yeah.
Like you do, but let me hear you say yeah, yeah. You love the reggae music, let me hear you say yeah. You love it like you do, but let me hear you say yeah.
Right, that summertime. Shut up. Ladies and gentlemen, the band on stage is a band called The Slaves. Can you give them a big hand, please? The lady over there, her name is Tembi Kumalo. Give her a big hand, please. Tembi. In the middle here, ladies and gentlemen, her name is Cabo Fele. Give her a big hand, please. Next to me here, her name is Kumi Maduna. Give her a big hand, please. And on the brass section, on my extreme left, ladies and gentlemen, this is Javlani Mduli. Give him a big hand, please. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Numiso Nyovani. Give him a big hand, please. And next to me here, the professor. This is Mr. Vulindlela yenu, Vulindlela yenu, give him the can. And on keyboards here, ladies and gentlemen, this is Tutubani Kele. Give him a big hand too. On lead guitar, this is Chris Dara. Give him a big hand too. On drums, ladies and gentlemen, this is Raymond Mahono. Give him a big hand too. On bass guitar, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jamu Simume. Give him a big hand, please, on bass guitar. And on keyboards again over there, this is Mr. Eugene Tetwa. Give him a big hand, please. Over there on percussion, his name is Chris Jamini. It's time for Lucky Dube now to say goodbye. But before I say goodbye, I just want to tell you something. Remember one thing, wherever you are, whatever you do, Lucky Dube loves you. Lucky Dube is what he is today because of you. Be you white, be you black, I don't care. Because in the Rastaman's eye, a Rastaman sees no color. We are God's children, we are the same, we belong together. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us this evening. We'll see you next time. And remember, the new album, Prisoner, is out in your nearest record bar. Jah guide, Jah protect, keep the spirit burning positively. Hooray!
Juve!